Well, I'm just making this quick video just for some of the people that I know. They seem to be obsessed with washing machines. So I thought this might be the ideal time to make a washing machine video for some reason. Basically, there's nothing in there apart from 2 mats and a load of soap. Find it quite amusing, really. Wonder what'll happen when it does its spin. That'd be quite funny, wouldn't it? There's a mat. I think probably the reason why it's so bubbly is because they're bathroom mats, and they one of them sits outside my shower, so obviously like the soap and stuff comes off me and like absorbs into the mat. So it's probably like most of that coming out, I'd imagine, making it really bubbly. But yeah, people who watch this, they know who I mean when they're washing machine crazy people. Ciao. Look at it now. Oh, it just started pumping it out. It was actually full to the brim with bubbles. Interesting to see how clean the mats come out, considering they're white, and they wasn't white when I put them in there. What's it doing now? Going back up again or something? Crazy machine!